Hi, sixth grade. Okay, we're going to talk about the essay question, but first I want to share this with you. Isabella Anastasia shares, what did the mommy volcano say to the baby volcano? I love you. So, okay, if you want to share a joke for our next video, you can email them to me and I will pick the best one and share it with you on our next video. So the essay question, name the 4 moral virtues, describe an example of each, and describe how you or someone you know practice one of the moral virtues. Okay, so the 4 moral virtues are temperance, prudence, justice, and fortitude. An example of each of these should show how the virtues help us avoid sin. So going through them, temperance, which is basically not doing too much of any one thing. So an example of this would be a time when you were not being greedy. Prudence, which basically means the act of being careful. So an example would be like a time when you made a wise decision, a careful decision. Justice is the constant determination to give someone his or her rightful due. I know this is a little complicated, but it basically an example of this would be a time when you treated someone fairly. Fortitude is strength in the face of difficulty. So an example of this would be a time when you were sticking up for something that you believed in. And honestly, one example could kind of cross over into a couple of these, but I want to make sure that when I'm reading your essay, I can clearly identify these examples. The second part is ask you to describe how you or someone you know practice one of the moral virtues. This is subjective, which means it's up to you on how you want to answer it, but it should be a specific example of how the virtue was practiced. Like I've said for months now, I don't want to see anything about going to church more often or praying more often. I really want you to think about this and give me an original answer. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. And if you have any jokes, make sure you share them on email. Bye.